YouTube, watch the recipe, the video to the end to see how to make these really good wings. Hello YouTube and friends, we're going to make another air fryer wing recipe using this really good quality barbecue sauce. And all you need is a wing package and a bowl. Get these wings in the bowl and then we'll get started after that. Alright YouTube, so we have the wings in there. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Take as much garlic powder as you want. And then take like a salt and pepper mix. And put that in there and just shake this about. Use your hands. Let this sit for like a minute and then we'll add more. Alright YouTube, so the wings are flipped. Just add a little bit more salt and pepper and a little bit more garlic. Mix that in with your hands and let this sit for 3 to 4 minutes. Alright YouTube, so we preheated this to 400 and take these wings and put them in a single layer. Make sure you do not overlap them. Alright YouTube, so we have the wings in there and let's get started. Alright YouTube, so we got the basket in there. Push it in and we're going to do it at 400 for 18 minutes. Usually you do it for 20 minutes, but we're going to cut it 2 minutes short so we can add the wings to a bowl and the barbecue sauce and then finish it back for 2 minutes. So see you when this is done. Alright YouTube, so we flip the wings over. We're going to push it in, let it go for another 6 minutes at 400 and then we'll do the last steps. Alright, so our wings are done. Take that barbecue sauce. Look how thick that is. Pour that in there. And then just use your hands to mix that up and make sure you coat all the wings. Alright YouTube, so we have the wings in there, covered with the barbecue sauce. Push it in. And for some reason this went to 18 minutes. We're going to want to do it at 400 for 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, I'll cancel it out and stop it. So just make sure you do it for 3 minutes. I said 2 minutes before, but do it 3 minutes so we can have crispy wings. And there you have it, YouTube. Those honey sweet wings by Rufus Teague. You can definitely not go wrong with that. I will link that product in the description so you can get it. But look how good quality these wings are. I can't wait to eat these. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and many more recipes to come.